Okay, here I have a WALL-E U-Command remote controlled robot made by Thinkway Toys, Disney Pixar. See, I have the remote control here. It's 12 buttons. Everything does different stuff. You make WALL-E dance. You can make his eyes move. There's just tons of things that he does. There's 1,000 programmable actions you can make him do, where you can just drive him around like a normal remote controlled toy. He is in great condition. The brown spots that you see on him are from the factory to make him look rusty. He's not dirty. Very good condition. He's got brand new batteries in him and the remote control. He is being sold on eBay by D&M Trading Company, and we'll link him to the eBay page. And thanks for watching.